Hey, what is going on, everybody? I just finished the fireplace. Now, it isn't going to stay in the record store. I just put it in here for this video so you could get the full effect. And actually, I hadn't even intended on making a video of this. I was just going to take some pictures. But once I got it finished, I thought, well, I have enough pictures. I'll go ahead and try and piece together a video so you can kind of see the process that I went through to make it. That way you'll see all the steps involved in case you want to make your own. So the first thing I did was I went to a couple different hardware stores until I found a funnel that was almost exactly the shape that I wanted. And then when I got it home, I traced out the lines that I thought I would want and just started cutting. I also cut off the spout portion of the funnel because it was tapered, and I replaced it with this 1/2-inch PVC pipe. To give the primer and paint something to bite to, I sanded down the funnel and the PVC pipe with 200 grit sandpaper. At this point, the PVC pipe looked kind of bare, so I used the laser cutter and cut out these 3 wooden rings and placed them every 3 inches so that they would look like breaks in the stovepipe. To get the vibrant orange that I was going for, I primed everything first with Krylon's white primer for plastic. Once the primer was fully dried, I applied 4 light coats of the orange, careful to make sure that it didn't run or drip. Once the orange paint was fully cured, I painted the inside, the base, and the legs flat black, and then I added the flicker bulbs and the logs to give it the flame effect. Thanks for checking out this video. I know it isn't the highest quality, it was kind of an afterthought, but I just wanted to throw something together for you in case you wanted to make your own. You would see all the steps involved. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.